that's it. Car passed its MOT. It's taxed, insured, MOT'd, and I think I've put about 60 miles on it so far. I can't be 100% sure because the speedo isn't counting up miles, so I've got another speedo on the bench over there to fit. That'll be tomorrow night. Tonight is Monday night. Just been giving it a bit of a clean up. Paintwork's still not great, but IMM, it's on the way. Mini's running well. It's got a few oil leaks that I've got to fix, so I'm going to fix one of those before IMM. For the others, I'm just going to buy a can of oil and top it up when I need to. It was a huge relief when the car passed MOT. Spent the morning at work before, feeling sick. Sorry about the ting. And yeah, car's ready. So, assuming it makes it to IMM, I think I've got about the route I'm taking. I'm going to meet up with Paul Jeffries and then some of the other guys after that. It's going to be a good 2, 3, maybe 4 hours drive. So fingers crossed it makes it, and if it does, if it doesn't, I'll get it towed there. But if it does, then if you want to come and see how the car's turned out, come and have a look, come and have a chat, and we'll see you at IMM.